Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the voice chat and microphone not working in Where Winds Meet on PC. First, make sure your microphone works in Windows. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Input, select the correct microphone. Speak into it and check if the input bar moves. If it does not move, choose a different microphone from the list. Now, click Device Properties under Input. Make sure the microphone is enabled and the volume is set above 80%. Then click Additional Device Properties and go to the Levels tab. Make sure the mic is not muted. Next, scroll down and open Privacy and Security Settings. Click Microphone Access. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, make sure desktop apps are allowed to use the microphone. Now close Settings and open Steam. Go to your Steam settings and open the Voice section. Select the same microphone you selected in Windows. Use the Test Microphone button and check if Steam can hear you. After that, go to your Steam library. Right-click Where Winds Meet and open Properties. Go to the installed files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. If you are using any third-party voice software like Discord, close it completely. Sometimes it takes control of the microphone and blocks the game. Now launch Where Winds Meet. Open the game settings and go to Audio or Voice Chat settings. Make sure Voice Chat is enabled. Select the correct input device inside the game. If the mic still does not work, restart the game once more after changing all settings. Thanks for watching.